Call Forward is available through the options list. Arrow over to Call Forward and press the Select Soft key. For convenience, my administrator has programmed the Call Forward feature on my third top soft key. There are 3 Call Forward options listed. However, I will only demonstrate Call Forward All. The other options are Call Forward Busy and Call Forward No Answer. They are programmed using the same process. The account shows the name and number we are forwarding. Notice the field All is highlighted. I'll enter the phone number where I want all calls to be forwarded to. Use the navigation pad and press the down arrow once to move on to the next field, On. This is where we will turn Call Forward on or off. A check mark in this box indicates Call Forward is on. No check mark indicates Call Forward is off. With the On box highlighted, press the center navigation button to select and put a check mark in the On box. Then press the Save Soft key. All calls will now be forwarded to my designated number. Notice the Call Forward icon on the top of the screen. Also notice the ringer/message waiting light is lit. And if you have a Call Forward soft key, the LED is lit. To turn off Call Forward All, return to the Call Forward menu through the options list or the Call Forward soft key. Press the down arrow and press the center navigation button to remove the check mark. Then press the Save Soft key. The Call Forward feature is now turned off.